If you are wondering if there is bloatware pre-installed for you on the Samsung Galaxy S26, then the answer is unfortunately yes. Right after the initial configuration, if you go to the app drawer, you can find quite a bit of different apps that are pre-installed for you for literally no reason whatsoever. They should not be pre-installed, but still they are. For example, we can see a couple of Microsoft apps, and they are pretty much available on, I think, every Samsung Galaxy smartphone, but still I consider them as a bloatware. There is Facebook, Instagram, Spotify, Netflix, Perplexity pre-installed for you, and you can probably find even more apps that you may consider as bloatware in here, although these are still like social media apps or something similar, like streaming platforms that many people use. I don't really think they still should be pre-installed. You can uninstall them quite easily if you decide to do so. You can of course use them freely, and that's up to you how you want to do that. If you decide to uninstall, then of course you have that option, for example by pressing and holding your finger on the app. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.